Welcome back to our science period. Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Good. So, today we are going to start new chapter, that is chapter 14, electric current and its effect. Okay? So, what we will learn in this chapter? We will learn about the electric path, means electric current, and the different components. Okay? And its uses, means applications. Understood? Now see, on page number 160, here figure 14.1, what is shown? It is shown a simple electric circuit diagram. Okay, मीन्स सिंपल, जैसे कि लाइक क्या दिख रहा है, वन बैटरी, दैट इज अ सेल, एंड इलेक्ट्रिक वायर्स विच यूज फॉर कंडक्टिंग इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, then metal key which is conductor of electricity, that is used for passing electricity, and pin, that pin is act as a switch, and one bulb. Okay, so when here now see in this figure, the bulb is in which condition? It is on condition. Okay, bulb कैसा हो रहा है? ग्लो हो रहा है, means the this current is on in condition. Okay, so now here after in this chapter we will see the when we can say that the electric current is on, or when we can say electric current is off in condition. Okay, so simply the first topic of this chapter, that is the symbols of electric component. In this topic we will see the different electric components along with its symbols. Okay, now the table 14.1, what this table shows, in this table the different components are given along with its symbols. Okay, so the first is electric cell. Electric cell is shown by which kind of symbol? It is shown by one small line and one large line, longer line and shorter line. Okay, so in that longer line it shows the positive terminal, and shorter line it shows that negative terminal. Means this longer line and shorter line, both the line parallel lines shows one positive terminal and another one is negative terminal. Okay, so this is shown by this is the symbol of electric cell. Understood? Now the second one is electric bulb. Okay, so you can see in that table how this symbol of electric bulb is shown. In that third one, the switch is on in two position. Switch is in the on position and off position. Okay, दोनों position में show किया जाता है switch को, on position में and off position में. In simple diagram, when we have to show the switch is in on, so both the terminals of wires are connected with each other, and if it is in off position, so wires are away from each other, means the terminals of the wires are not connected. Okay, and the similarly in symbolic representation, we can shown by the same type, like the two dots, that wire is, means this line is connected, it means the switch is in on condition. If the line is not connected, open space अगर हमने show की है, that means switch is in off condition. Understood? So this is all about the cell, bulb and the switch of an on condition. Now the next is about the battery. Battery means what? Battery is nothing but a group of cells. Okay, battery मतलब क्या होता है? Cell का group होता है. So we can make the battery by connecting the two or more cells together. Okay, हम बैटरी को कैसे बना सकते हैं? दो से ज़्यादा जो भी cells हैं, means when we will connect the two or more cells together, so the battery can make. Okay, and how we can connect that cells together with each other? The one positive terminal of cell is connected to the negative terminal. Okay, and that negative terminal of the cell is connected with the another positive terminal of the cell. Like that you can see in the figure 14.2, you will get idea about how the battery of two cells are connected with each other. मतलब एक पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल सेकेंड के निगेटिव टर्मिनल, और फिर वो निगेटिव टर्मिनल जो होता है वो दूसरे सेल के पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल से कनेक्टेड रहता है. सो लाइक दैट वी कैन मेक द group of cells that is known as battery. Understood? And in symbolic condition, the same representation means two parallel lines, the set of the two parallel lines, one shorter line and another longer line. And okay, now the last component is wire. Simply the symbol is line. We can show the wire by simple line. Okay, एक सिंपली लाइन फॉर्म में हम वायर को शो कर सकते. सो दीज आर द डिफरेंट कंपोनेंट्स, इलेक्ट्रिक कंपोनेंट्स विच आर यूज इन द इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट. ओके, और उसको हम क्या करते हैं, सिंबॉलिक फॉर्म में शो करते हैं. Means suppose when we have to make the diagram of electric circuit, so in that electric circuit diagram we have to draw these components in the symbolic form. Okay, तब हमें अगर कोई भी इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट डायग्राम ड्रॉ करनी होती है, हम उसको इलेक्ट्रिक कंपोनेंट्स को ओरिजिनल जो फॉर्म होते हैं उसमें नहीं करेंगे. Instead of that we will draw the all this electric component in its symbolic form. Understood? So now what you have to do, you have to remember all these electric components in its symbolic form. Okay, now all of you have understood what is the battery. Battery is nothing but what? Battery is nothing but the group of cells. And where we use this group of cells means battery, in different electric गैजेट्स. जैसे कि बहुत सारे डिवाइसेस होते हैं लाइक टॉर्च, टॉयज, टीवी रिमोट्स, कंट्रोल्स. ओके, सो इन दैट वी यूज दिस बैटरीज. एंड व्हेन दिस बैटरी इट डज़ नॉट वर्क प्रॉपरली. ओके, उसके जो इलेक्ट्रिक केमिकल्स होते हैं, सॉरी, व्हेन द केमिकल्स इनसाइड दैट बैटरीज व्हेन इट इज़ यूज अप, सो व्हाट वी डू, वी रिप्लेस इट बाय न्यू वन. हम उसको क्या करते हैं, उस ओल्ड सेल्स को, बैटरीज को क्या करते हैं, रिप्लेस करते हैं न्यू सेल्स की जगह. ठीक है, मीन्स ओल्ड को रिमूव करके न्यू सेल्स रिप्लेस करते थे. सो दिस इज फंक्शन ऑफ द बैटरीज विच इज़ यूज इन द डिफरेंट इलेक्ट्रिक devices. Okay, and for that connecting this electric cells we can make the electric means we can use the cell holder also. In this see in the figure 14.4 and 14.5 how this electric cells holder are shown. Okay, so we can use this electric cell holders means cell holders for the होल्डिंग द बैटरी. ओके, हम क्या कर सकते हैं, होल्डर्स को यूज़ कर सकते हैं बैटरी को कनेक्टेड करने के लिए. अंडरस्टूड? एंड ऑलवेज रिमेंबर व्हेन वी आर कनेक्टिंग द बैटरीज, द वन पॉजिटिव टर्म इज कनेक्टेड विद द नेगेटिव. ओके, so this is how we are connecting the battery with each other, and afterwards it functions means it functions according to that electric circuit. Okay.